We're going for an adventure. We're gonna go fishing, but we're gonna try to fly our drone and all that too. So let's get hooked up.
Hey girls, and by girls I mean my daughters. You will like this episode. It is what I've been coercing you into doing for the last 15 years. We're going fishing. Oh, and I run into a bear. Oh, and I also destroy my prop literally as far up the river as you can go. Oh, and then I crashed the drone before leaving the lake. All you other adventurers and explorers, thank you for checking in on Chasing Escape. Please leave a comment and thumbs up if you think I should have been a better parent. April 15 means a couple things in my life. Tax Day is not one of them. Mostly mid-April means it is the next fishing season.
But it's finally like 65 degrees and I feel like fishing and biting. So
you see, there are many fishing seasons within a year. You have spring Chinook, you have salmon on the coast in August, you have salmon up the river in October, you have kokanee salmon October to March on the inland lakes. You have crappie season in May and June, halibut, salmon, and cod in July and August up north, and then you have, obviously Mackinac, perch, walleye, crappie, bass in the summer. Fly fishing is year-round for trout. Ice fishing for perch and trout used to be from December to March when we had ice, but now it's maybe 1 month. So as you can see, a guy doesn't want to back himself into a corner when it comes to fishing season. It's easier to say when it's not fishing season.
fishing the icebergs. Caught a monster today. Yeah, he's huge.
My lovely daughters have had to endure my passion for adventure and fishing ever since they can remember. I like to think it instilled a sense of rugged individualism in them, but mostly, I think it instilled a love for not freezing their ass off. My happy place is not far from my house, about a half hour. It is where I've escaped to for the last 28 years of living in Boise. Whether to hike, hunt, fish, swim, take the kids water sporting to cool off, or just escape the day and get with the earth. There is no substitution for being on the water. It is freedom and also my therapist.
Okay, we got the boat launched and we are gonna go adventuring. A little rough launch, but we got her done. Oh, what a day. Get the drone up. a good hike over there. But we're gonna try to fly the drone, see what happens. Yeah, we'll see. Alright, we tried to crash our boat by flying the drone right into that rock right there, but luckily we didn't, and luckily this is one of my favorite fishing spots, so I'm pretty sure I know exactly what's gonna work. Set up for tonight, and then we'll just go up the river and goof off. Maybe go for a little hike. Every year up here, I come up here in the spring, and there's usually a log jam up here. It makes me think that there maybe isn't a log jam up here, but 2 years ago there was a guy that got caught on the other side. He ran up and it wasn't jammed. He came back down and it was jammed up, and he was in a fiberglass ski boat, and I kind of helped him get through. Yeah, it's kind of messy water. Guy doesn't want to haul through here. It could be ugly. Good practice for going to Alaska. Trash. We gotta get that. Okay.
Never thought I would run into anyone this far up the river, but lo and behold, a couple bear hunters needed a lift. So I thought I'd help them out a little. What's your names?
Roger Holster and Chris Young.
Yeah. Roger and Chris, couple of bear killers, man. I love
One
it.
bear killer.
Yeah. I was surprised to see these boys up here. I do like having a nice bimini and shit down there. Oh. All right, over to the log we go. Oh. Very cool. We'll go check. What a gorgeous color. Look at this guy, man. Beautiful, beautiful there. Congrats. Yeah. Studs. Cool guys, man. This is good fishing right here about 8 o'clock. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous flying the drone from the boat. But it was successful.
It was time to turn around and head back down the river. But first,
We hit log. Oh, that's totally not good. Yeah, we don't have any drop. It's no bueno. Yeah, a little bit of that. Man, we are a long ways up the river for this. Well, this sucks. We're just slowly idling back. Got a little shimmy to our engine, but we're just in idle here. So, no fishing tonight. We'll run this out as long as we can, see how long it lasts. It's a nice waterfall over there. And then we got our trolling motor. See how long we can make it on that. Just need to make it out of the South Fork into the main, and then we'll be okay with it. We'll see. You don't want to get too close because you don't know what part of the log you're seeing. So, the one I hit was submerged about, well, evidently prop levels. That one was cool piece of wood too. Cool farm up there. Bunch of old rusted stuff, stove, just a bunch of old cowboy stuff. Anyway, we're still shimmying our way down the river back to the truck. Gosh dang, I saw that thing too, and I'm like, oh, it's not very solid, and it's loosely solid. Oh well. Stuff happens, man. That's how it goes out here on the South Fork. Gives you pretty good times. Beautiful moon. We are kind of freezing. About to go back in the sun real quick. We were all the way up there in the river. Now we're almost back to the jack. Another 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Anyway, yeah. Man, it is getting chilly, so not that far to go. Okay, we're loaded. Well, we're not out of the water and tied down yet, but I was gonna maybe take a drone shot of that, but holy cow. Thank you, Lord. What a beautiful evening to have that happen. Ah, nice moon. Okay, let's get this figured out.
I cannot tell you how relieved I was to make it back to the truck. I thought I should get one more shot from Seneca before we headed home, and it got too dark. But it was already too dark. Seneca did not see the pickup. Thank you for watching. Love you, my little rugged, heat-loving daughters.